Steve, we will check if the package is your gift for Jomel. Sir Steve, Jomel will open the package from you. Dahan-dahan muna, titignan mo muna. Ano?
Make-up. Tsaka tools ata to.
Ay, akin nga yan. Wow! May eyelash.
Tools nga.
Batos.
Ay, yung bayan. Ay, yung bayan.
Toy.
Pa, impact socket set driver, 95 pieces. Deep and shallow socket wrench set. Ayan yon. Wow!
Wow!
Sir Steve, my husband is so happy.
Whoa! Ganda!
Thank you.
Limutan ko. Oh, Sir Steve, thank you po for the tools.
Wow! You know, Sir Steve, he always look at this when we are going to Walter Mart or SM Batangas. He always look at you like these tools. But we can't afford it because it is so very expensive.
Ang ganda.
That's why he is happy. I said that he needs to keep this. When someone wants to borrow it, he needs to always next to the person who borrows so he can get everything back to him. Ganda. Thank you so much, Sir Steve.